How to write a good research paper. Writing a research paper is an essential part of any academic program. It requires a lot of effort and time, so it is very important that you learn how to write a good research paper. The purpose of writing a research paper. A research paper is a written document that presents original ideas and findings based on primary sources. It is usually used as a source of information in a class or seminar. Types of papers. There are two main types of papers, descriptive and analytical. Descriptive papers describe an object, event, or phenomenon. Analytical papers analyze data collected through observation, experimentation, or other means. Structure of a research paper. A research paper should follow a particular structure. It starts with an introduction, followed by a body containing 3 parts: results, discussion, and conclusion. Each part has its own subheadings. Sources of information. There are 2 main sources of information used in research papers: primary and secondary. Primary sources are those that were directly involved in the events being studied. Secondary sources are those who did not take part in the study but still offer insight into the subject matter. References. A reference list should contain at least 3 references. These should be cited using APA style, American Psychological Association. This means that each citation must include the author's last name, the title of the work, the date of publication, and the publisher.